Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my ride. Today we're putting two of the hottest bikes in the market head to head. It's the Yamaha MT-07 versus the Kawasaki Z900. Both bikes offer a unique blend of performance and style. But which one is the best for you? And why you should even consider such different bikes? Let's find out. For a quick overview, let's put those bikes head to head together. Let's start with the MT-07. The Yamaha got a 689cc liquid-cooled engine with 2 cylinders, which delivers 74 horsepower or 50 foot-pounds of torque. With its lightweight design, the MT-07 weighs just 395 pounds or 180 kilograms, making it nimble and easy to handle. The MT-07 is starting at $7,599 in the US. The Kawasaki Z900 on the other side got an even more powerful 948cc liquid-cooled 4-cylinder engine, delivering 125 horsepower and 73 foot-pounds of torque. This beauty weighs 467 pounds or 212 kilograms, making it a little harder to maneuver than the MT-07. The Z starts at $9,200 in the US. If you like my videos so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free and would be massively appreciated. As you can see, these two motorcycles are very different, so why do we even compare them? First of all, I have to tell you that I own both of these bikes, and I also wondered if I should have bought the bigger bike right at the start. That's a pretty tough question, but I will tell you my thoughts about it. In my opinion, when you think about getting an MT-07, you should also consider the Z900.
You serious?
Because they're only separated by $1,600, and this could well be worth it for you in some circumstances. It totally depends where you are at your motorcycle journey. When you're a new rider without any experience, the MT-07 is already a pretty potent motorcycle with its 2-cylinder engine. MT-07 was also my first motorcycle, and at the start the acceleration feels insane when you've never ridden a motorcycle. Another thing that comes into handy is that the Yamaha is really lightweight, which makes it really easy to maneuver around, and you're less likely to drop it when you have to come to an unexpected sudden stop. There was only a few downsides to this bike, which I've noticed after 1 year of riding it. The suspension is not the best, especially when you also plan to do some track days with it. Even at the road, when you're riding at a faster pace, you notice that the suspension elements are not at the premium side. But let's be honest, for $7,600, that's already a pretty good package. That's the point when I started to consider getting the Kawasaki. This bike costs only $1,600 more than the Yamaha, and we have some huge upgrades there. The suspension is more capable than the one from the Yamaha. You also get a full electronics package, which include riding modes, traction control, ride-by-wire, smartphone connectivity and a Nice Tft Screen. Another significant improvement is the engine in terms of power and comfort. The 4-cylinder engine delivers a whopping 125 horsepower, especially at higher RPMs you really notice this difference. Additionally, the engine is smoother to ride at lower RPMs. That's to the 4-cylinder's willingness to operate in the lower range. This comes in handy when you're riding through urban areas, as you can cruise comfortably in 5th gear without any stuttering. Considering those facts, the Z900 should be the clear choice, right? It really depends. For me, the upgrade suspension is a huge plus, but I'm not a fan of a 4-cylinder engine. I prefer the punchiness of the 2 cylinders and the thrill of shifting gears with the engine's aliveness. Another big deal for new riders is the weight of the Kawasaki. 212 kg may not sound that much, but trust me, you immediately notice the difference when you ride a lighter bike in comparison, which increases the likelihood of dropping it. In conclusion, it totally depends down to your personal preferences and if you can afford it. But my advice would be, do a test ride at your local dealer and then decide. That's the only way to make the right decision for you. I bought the bike without any test ride and sold it after only 2,000 kilometers. If you want to know why I sold it that fast, watch the video at the right side. Stay safe, ride your ride, goodbye.